Are you a property manager dealing with a tree emergency? Don't worry, this comprehensive guide has the answers you need. An emergency tree service ensures quick removal of risky branches or trees, reducing the risk of further damage. Common reasons for tree removal include disease, unstable roots, and severe weather damage. Look for signs like sudden leaning, sickly appearance, or hanging branches. Immediate action is needed. Only trust qualified licensed professionals for tree removal. Ask about their certification and insurance. First, be prepared. Clear the area, reserve parking, and notify occupants. The process involves inspection, safety precautions, and even stump removal. Second, safety is paramount. Keep away from the work area and inform utility companies about potential risks. Lastly, after removal, assess property damage and arrange repairs. Contact your insurance company. A certified arborist can evaluate your trees, recommend care, and provide a maintenance plan to avoid future emergencies. Now, let's address some common frequently asked questions. How long does tree removal take? The duration varies based on factors like location, size, and damage. Larger trees can take up to 8 hours or more, while smaller trees may only take a few hours. How much does tree removal cost? As for the cost, it depends on the risks and tree size. On average, you can expect it to range from $250 to $2,000. Can I remove a tree on my own? Removing trees is risky, especially for large ones. It's always best to hire a certified arborist. They'll ensure safe removal, preventing damage to your property and nearby trees. Remember, proactive tree maintenance can save you from emergencies. Trust Arbor Vision for your tree needs. Click the link in the description to learn more.